right, so let's take a moment to look at how these operations work. So in this case, we're going to start with the universal set, which contains the letters in Math Rocks. Now, please understand, those 9 letters are the only letters we care about. We are not talking about every letter in the alphabet, only those 9. That is our universal set. And then we've got some subsets, A, B, and C, that are defined right there for you. So first thing, starting with question A, we want to find A intersect B. Now remember, this symbol right here, this intersection, is what these things have in common. So when you look at set A and when you look at set B, the question is, what elements do they both share? Well, they share an M and they share an A. Again, it doesn't matter what order you happen to write those down in. So you can write A and M if that's what you prefer. It makes no difference to me. Okay. Looking at set B, this is question B. This is C union B. That means we're going to combine everything in set C and set B together. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to start with set C, and I'm going to write all of the letters in the word coats. And then I'm going to move over to set B, and I'm going to write any element that has not yet appeared. So there's an M, there is an A, but it's already listed. We're not going to list it twice. There's an S, again, it's already listed. We're not going to list it twice. And then there's a K. So what we're doing is we're throwing all of the letters that appear in both set C and set B together into one big pile. All right, moving on to question C. This is saying set C complement. So what we're going to do is we want all of the elements in our universal set that are not in set C. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go along here and I'm going to cross off everything that's in set C. So no C, no O, no A, no T, no S. The letters that are left, the elements that are left, are C complement. M, H, R, K. All right, erase my work here again. And then question D is set B, take away set C. So what we're going to do is we start with set B, which remember is M-A-S-K, and we remove anything in set C. So set C contains the element C. I can't remove that because I only have M-A-S-K. It contains an O. I can't remove that. It contains an A. I can remove that. It contains a T. Again, I can't take away what was never there to begin with. And set C contains an S. I can remove that. So what is left is the M and the K from set B. Now, what I'd like you to do again is pause the video and work through the rest of these questions. Now, just like with regular mathematics, parentheses tell you you need to do that portion first, okay? Go to order of operations. So what I want you to do, again, take the time to go through these other questions, see if you can come up with the elements that are in each of these sets, and then restart the video and see how you did. Okay, so welcome back. All of the answers to the remaining problems are shown in red. I have also tried to include how I arrived at each of those results. So like we did in one of the previous videos, I want you to go ahead and read through the explanation that's written there, and anywhere where it still doesn't make sense or things aren't going the way that you thought they should, post a question to the forum, and again, respond to each other. See if you can help each other out, and I'll be watching too. Thanks and good luck.